Will insurance pay for fire damage?
Insurance generally will pay for fire damage. I haven't run into a situation yet where they did not pay for fire damage for an accident. However, if there is a type of negligence on the homeowner or a self-set fire, they would not cover that in most cases.
How do I claim damage due to fire?
Claiming damage due to fire is as simple as calling your insurance adjuster or insurance agent at your local office and letting them know what's going on. They're going to simply ask you questions involving the incident. They're going to let you know what your plan covers and doesn't cover. And then they're going to reach out to a restoration company and put through a claim that will allow you to claim this on your insurance and let you know any parameters that are not covered by that.
Does your insurance go up after a fire?
Insurance may go up after a fire. It totally depends. Some customers have said that their insurance does not go up because they've only had this one incident within 20 to 30 years of being with an insurance company. I've also heard say that sometimes their insurance rates may go up 30 to 40% because they've only had that insurance company for maybe a few years. And this is a newer claim or multiple claims that they've had on their policy. So it's a possibility that your insurance claim could go up or your insurance premiums.
Should you use a public adjuster?
Should you use a public adjuster or can you use a public adjuster? That is up to you. You have the right to choose an adjuster of your choice. It doesn't necessarily mean that is what's going to happen. They will work with your insurance company to come up with some type of plan that works best for you, but you do have the right to use an adjuster, and whether or not you should use a private adjuster is totally up to you and how you feel about your insurance company. Maybe you've had a situation in the past that you weren't exactly happy with, but you wanted a second opinion, or you felt that the adjuster needed to justify some type of other services for you, then you may use that private adjuster.
How does insurance work for fire damage?
So your insurance company is going to allow you to choose, or they will recommend a fire restoration company to come into your home and do an inspection to figure out what is going on. What they're going to do at that point is allow you to work with your restoration company in order to set up a time to figure out what it is that you need to do, whether it's mitigating services at the beginning, doing contents cleaning and pack out procedures, doing demolition, or doing the reconstruction portion towards the end of the home build. But you would need to work with your insurance company who is going to help you through that process along with us.